So LG has launched a range of next generation premium entertainment solutions. Let's find out more about them in the video. LG has launched its latest lineup of OLED TVs in India, including the world's largest 97-inch OLED TV and the world's first flexible gaming TV, as it marks the 10th anniversary of its OLED offerings. As per the company, the OLED Flexi screen can bend to 20 different levels of curvature, so users can find the ideal setting for total immersion. The company has introduced 21 variants across different segments. Other highlights include the 8K Z3 series, the Evo C3 series, and Evo Gallery Edition G3 series. The new OLED TVs come in a wide range of screen sizes, with the smallest being 42 inches and the largest being 97 inches. The company claims they have a number of enhanced features for an upgraded viewing experience. The LG Alpha 9 intelligent processor is set to deliver better quality picture and sound using deep learning technology. The Brightness Booster Max feature in the newly launched OLED Evo G3 series can increase brightness by up to 70%, showcasing more realistic images, while Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos help achieve a cinematic experience with visuals and sound. Prices officially start at Rs 1,19,990 for OLED 42-inch C3 and go all the way up to Rs 75 lakh for the LG Rollable TV. That's all we have from LG in today's video. Keep watching Gadgets 360 for all things tech.